Are y'all packed for the trip?
Yeah, but I can't find my keys.
Oh no. We have to be at the airport in like an hour and a half. Do you think we'll find them?
Oh, yeah. Oh, found them.
Oh, hey.
That was some weird thing over here. I don't even know how they got there.
Well, that's weird. Well, let's go to the airport. Let's go.
Woohoo!